Brooke's side, what point are you defending? Brooke and Bernie?
We're defending that recycling is not the most important thing.
Okay. And Thykar and Pin, which side are you defending?
I'm defending that recycle is the most important thing.
Okay. So could we hear first from Thykar and Pin? What do you think about this? So you're saying recycling is the most important action. Why is that?
If we recycle, there will be less landfill.
Remember, you're talking to each other, right?
Be less landfill, and the environment will be less polluted. But the most important thing is not recycling, it's peace. Because if there is no peace, then we would all be dead. And if we recycle, but there's still no peace, then why would we recycle? Yeah, but there's not any war anymore. Actually, there is, though. Like America versus Afghanistan, there's still that war going on. Yeah, but it's not like the entire world is to the war. But it's still, peace is the most important thing. Because there are a lot of people dying out there because of that war. Let's go on to more sufficient. Our idea is much more simpler because we are using the wind power, and that is...
Brooke, could you move your chair up a bit so I could see you? Yeah. Yeah.
And that's kind of the best kind of power, natural resources that we can use because we're using that and it's not running out or anything because we will always have one. Yeah, but it's not like the important thing because if we don't recycle, there's like more food left and then we will like extinct and probably like make peace if we have no food. But the food will run out slowly, very slowly, and the oxygen will run out very slowly. Actually, it's very fast because people are chopped out in the grain. Well, in 1920, there was like just 3,000 trees left, and everyone was still alive. No one died. Yeah, but if we recycle paper, then it would be 70% less air pollution. But still, if we recycle but there was no peace, then we would all be dead. So why would we recycle if there was no peace? Then we would all be dead. There's more than one brilliant natural resource to use. Like it's not just wind, it's water, wind, and rain. And if we use those, then we'll always have rain, we'll always have water, and we'll always have wind. So if we ever...
A bit louder, please.
Suggestion as a lot better because we're not using any energy. We're kind of odd, but we're using natural resources as which they're not right. And when you recycle, all the paper goes to the recycling station. Yeah, like the paper station. It goes in the truck, and then the truck puts pollution in the air, but the truck doesn't also put pollution in the air. The truck then goes on to a boat to get across the water. So it's using just not more, it's using more than one. Yeah, but not exactly all trucks make pollution. Why can't a famous speak?
Ask a question, maybe. You might direct a question at her, Bernie.
Okay. So why do you think peace is not the most important thing?
But remember, I'm going to just say one thing. Recycling is a worldwide action, right? So what about the parts of the world where the war is not happening? Or are you referring just to a specific part? Or do you mean world peace? That we can't, that's more important than recycling?
Yeah, world peace. do you think white places have the most important thing?
Or maybe, Pin, why do you think recycling is the most important thing in the environment, for the planet?
Is that your only description? Yeah, we know we all cut down on trees.
Okay.
I made this chart with my dad, and he's very good at recycling. So the goods purchases, well, the environment gets used to make factories, and then the factories makes good purchases, and then the good purchases go to the house, which makes smoke, which is bad, and then the house leads to the power station, which is bad, it uses lots and lots of energy, and then the factory uses power from the power station, which is bad energy, and then the power station uses more things from the environment, which is bad.
So your point is?
That factories and things that use more smoke are putting even more pollution into the air. We are getting rid of our environment so that nothing can really help us, and at the same time as that, we are putting pollution in our own air, so we're going to die and we're going to have nothing to kind of help us and save us.
Yeah, but recycling is like reducing the pollution too.
No, it's putting more pollution in the air because
Actually, it's reducing.
bad smells can put pollution in the air and bad things can put pollution in the air.
Yeah, but if you recycle, we don't cut down tree and the tree will like breathe more oxygen and reduce the pollution.
But if trees go like coming down like one by one, you get slowly used to it. Like in Mount Everest, if you climb Mount Everest, like when you're like at half or just a bit more than half, there's like no air. So the people that climb to the top of it, they climb slowly up, so then they can get used to being without air. So then that's what will happen to us, and then we'll be used without being without air. Can I just say your point before Bernie, that do you know how you said we're not chopping down trees for a factory? They kind of are, because how they make to make the factory, how they make to make machines, what we're going to make out of. We need to chop down our environment to get that. Like you get liquids out of a plant, then you need those liquids to make machinery to actually create things.
Yeah, but not that much people like climb Mount Everest. It would take like a while. It's not like all the people on Earth like want to climb Mount Everest on one day.
But a lot of people have climbed it and they climbed it very fast and they died because they didn't get used to it and suffocated. Because when climbing it, they wanted to climb fast and then they would go, and whenever they're at the top, they couldn't breathe because they weren't used to the air there. But the other people who climb the top, they climb slowly, and that's how it'll happen. You get used to it because then oxygen will go slowly, so you'll get used to it.
Yeah, but not like all people like want to climb Mount Everest.
I know, but that's not a point. Bernie's saying that if all our oxygen goes and it's pollution in the air, then we'll get used to without any air.
But how would it affect you?
No, it wouldn't affect you at all.
Really?
People who climb Mount Everest.
Not the people that climb Mount Everest. What about all the other billions of people that don't climb Mount Everest?
Some might die, but not all. Not all.
Yeah, but that's a different type of air. It's not like oxygen, but when there's no air, there's more like smoke around. So it's like that's at Mount Everest it's clear, but down here it's like smoke. That's a
It would be the
difference.
same at Mount Everest too.
Yeah. Yeah, but if you like chop down all tree, there won't be anything to clear up the smoke, and there will be like smoke.
But why
is there
there's
going
no
to be
oxygen?
how
There's
is there
sort
going
of
to be
smoke
smoke?
there, so how is there going to be smoke?
Yeah, no, that's a different type. of air.
But how's there going to be smoke?
Yeah,
There's
and
gonna be
actually on
smoke.
Mount Everest there is no air. And down on the earth at that same moment, if all the trees were cut down,